Welcome to the Spread Hunter Daily Safari for Monday, the 7th of May. After some wiggles and a few wobbles dating back to last Tuesday, where the SPY closed over 265, only to drop that day to 259, a 60-point move in the S&P. I think it was well over 400 points in the Dow. It recovered that same day and closed at 262, cutting the loss in half. But the total move for the day was 90 points. We started the day Friday with another quick drop, but the market quickly regained its footing and closed up for the week. 120-point round trip. I know on Friday that the 265 call traded as low as 13 cents and as high as 170. That's a 12 times return on your money, and a 10 lot could have made you well over $1,000. We can't see the prices because we're 2 days later in the SPY, but I did highlight the 65s here. You can see the 65s for this week trading at, almost $2, which is where we were when we started last week. The other stock that I wanted to talk about a bit is Apple. Apple had a huge week, which began with their earnings report last Tuesday. Let's just say that everybody loved the numbers. It didn't hurt that Warren Buffett revealed at that time that he had bought 75 million shares of the stock, and the stock went from below 70 with the earnings report. It was trading in the high 160s to closing today at 185.10, having traded even higher. I think it traded close to 187 today. And the reason I want to highlight that is because you can see here from these prices, so this is a spread that is within striking distance now, this 90, 92.50. This is a $2.50 spread for 18 cents. This is like some of the other trades that I've been highlighting. And you can see what's happened. The stock was up, it only closed up $1.33 today. Can that be right? I know at one point it was up over $3. But all that being said, here's an 18-cent spread that has 3 more days to go after tomorrow. It says 4 more days to go, and could easily morph into 50 cents, $1, $1.50, $2 if Apple gets up and goes a little bit further this week. So those are the kinds of spreads that we see on Spread Hunter. These are the kinds of trades that people are making on this platform. And I hope that you'll come on board and join us and get on board. This, I hate to say it over and over again, but options trading doesn't really get much better than this. Oh, and by the way, Apple is about to cross the threshold, and somewhere around 95, maybe a little lower, it'll cross the threshold into the first $1 trillion U.S. corporation. So you may want to be on board for that. Okay, good. Good luck. Bye now.